What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel with Generation Pips, and this is our weekly Forex analysis video. As always, whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, this video is going to be packed with some of our best trading ideas going into this week. So make sure you guys hit that bell and that subscribe for regular updates. I'm Eli. Grab your coffee. Let's go ahead and hit these charts. All right, so on the dollar here, we're going to look at the weekly perspective. Currently, we're sitting at support. Basically, at price comes down to support, we're looking for buys, and prices at resistance, we're looking for sells. So now that we're at support, we're going to be looking for buying opportunities on the dollar going into this week, unless price breaks through the support, and then we'll look for continuational pushes to the downside. All right, so the first pair that we're looking at this week that has a lot of potential is going to be NZD USD. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price is in a channel range here, respecting the highs and lows, and we just rejected off of the high area with a nice bearish engulfing candle. So go down to the daily time frame and get a closer look. And on the daily time frame here, we can see this nice area of resistance. Price failed to break above this resistance. We can identify that with this here, and it formed a nice bearish engulfing candle. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, we can see that the 4 hours in a nice uptrend that was recently broken, and now we're going to wait this week for a nice pullback of that area to go short going into this week, and that's going to be NZD USD. Next on the list this week, we've got USD CAD. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this is in a nice, beautiful range. Price is respecting resistance and support. We're going to break this down to the daily time frame. We can see that once price rejected off of that weekly area, we also had this daily support down here that was broken. Price has made a nice correction pulling back into this area. So going on the smaller time frame, this is what I'll be looking for as a nice opportunity to go short around the 1.36 thousand area on USD CAD. Breaking it down to the 4-hour time frame, this is what this will look like. So I'm looking for a nice bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar, evening star, also rejection of maybe the 250 MA at this area to go short. And that's going to be USD CAD. All right, guys, so the last pair we're going to look at is NZD CAD on the weekly time frame. This is actually a pair that I'm actively in right now at this moment, but there is a lot of trading opportunity for you guys to get back into this market. So looking on the weekly time frame, we have this nice bearish push to the downside with this bullish correction inside of this weekly channel range. Going down to the daily time frame, we can identify that price has been in this range right here, resistance, a fake out to the upside, and it looks like we're making a fake out right now as well. Here's that daily and weekly support area. Let's go into the 4-hour time frame to see what that rejection and fake out looks like on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can actually see that price is starting to form a head and shoulders. So you've got that left shoulder neckline, and we've got that right shoulder. So price is forming a head and shoulders at this area, but I did enter off the bearish engulfing candle closure on that 4-hour time frame. For anybody looking to get back into the trade, you can wait for a pullback back into this area to go short, or you can be safer on the other side and wait for price to break and retest this neckline going to the downside of that head and shoulders pattern. Well, that's going to be everything going into this week. Thank you guys for tuning into this week's analysis video. For more content, follow us on Instagram at GenerationPips. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button if you guys really enjoyed the video, and please drop your comments below. We love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for next week's analysis, and as always, happy trading.